Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and today's video we are going to be looking at Sqlite, the SQL language of how to search one column. So alright, let's just go ahead, a one column query. So let's just go ahead and get right to it. So as we saw last time, we learned how to description. So we learned how to find out the names of the columns in our database, and then more specifically, the table. So all right, that's why this next question, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell is so important, because that's what we do. We build one video upon the next and go from there. We do micro videos, bite-sized videos. And actually, those descriptions are from you guys, so thank you very much. This channel is very subscriber driven. So all right, now, so we've got our names of our columns, first and last. We'll act like we didn't create the table. So okay, let's just go ahead and do first. We want to see what first is. So, all right, so here we go. So we take our cursor, we look at it. Okay, so now let's say we could do print cursor fetch all. There we go. Helps if you don't add too many extra parentheses. So boom, John, Ben, John. So okay, let's say that we want to do it this way. So we have, let's run type on. So that looks like tuples. So here we go. For I in our cursor object, print I. Okay, yeah, those are definitely a tuple. So if we wanted to print it out nice and pretty, we index, there we go. Boom. So this is a wonderful technique. And so now, next time we are going to learn about another keyword in the SQL language of where. So we start to have some matching. So real quick video today. Please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests below. We are now starting to do additional requested videos. They are not going to throw off our tutorial videos, any sequence at all. We're just going to publish them 12 hours off. So if we have requested videos, there are going to be days where we have 2 videos a day. So you guys are just an absolutely amazing audience, wonderful subscribers, and I'm just absolutely blown away by all the support, all the just it's very humbling. I always thought it was just BS when I'd hear that, but it really truly is. So please drop any comments, questions, video requests below. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't done it, and notification bell. I don't want you missing anything. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.